Thank you very much, fellow Kenyans. I'm Babu Owino'S, Member of Parliament in Makasi's constituency. I want to take this opportunity to talk to our student leaders across the country. I have one prayer, one plea to make, and you must assist our fellow students on this, our parents on this. There is the new funding model that was introduced by Ruto. And this government has ensured that so many students are discontinued from universities because of lack of school fees. This new funding model is hurting our parents, is hurting our comrades. Our comrades are dropping out of school, out of universities. Our comrades are not reporting to universities. Our parents are coming from very poor backgrounds that even affording to hold 5,000 Kenya shillings or 10,000 Kenya shillings in their hands is a problem. So therefore, how can we afford to pay a course which is costing 300,000 Kenya shillings if it is an arts course, and a medical course is costing around 600,000 Kenya shillings? So therefore, to the student leaders, come out so viciously, come out and fight against this new funding model. Force the president to scrap it off. Let it go down in history that you are a student leader who came out and whose voice was heard when needed. People are suffering. Parents are suffering. Our students are suffering. Education in this nation has been compromised. We all know the role of education in economic development, in provision of matters, skills. And in addition to that, a nation that is not educated cannot be productive at all, because there will be lack of skills, lack of awareness, lack of new ideologies. And therefore, any student leader from wherever you are, in any college, any university, be prepared. Let us fight for our people. Let us fight for Kenyans. Make sure you come out, irrespective of what is happening. Even on a daily basis, we demonstrate if the president cannot listen to us. Thank you. God bless you.